Hello, I just ordered this new August smart lock, just announced in September 2017, and this is the new model, which is cheaper at $149, and it's more in a different shape too, instead of the usual cylindrical shape. It's more like a deadbolt shape. And what I like about the August door locks is it only replaces the inside door deadbolt, and you just replace a latch, but still keep the key and the other half of the deadbolt on the outside of the door, so it doesn't change the appearance or advertise people know that you have a smart lock on your front door. And the new thing about this model, it comes with the DoorSense sensor, which is a little magnet to detect if the door is actually closed or not, which I could then use the option to auto lock the lock when the door is fully closed, and which no other smart lock has so far, which is always gets around a problem of auto locking the lock, but then the door will be ajar or open, and you end up bashing up your door frame. So it comes with this red box here, and I ordered it in dark gray color. And you can see this is actually just a latch like here. And this is the place where you put the 4 AA batteries in. And it also comes with this adapter, which you place on the inside of your door, also which holds up the lock. And also nice to have these little rubber feet so don't scratch up the inside of your door. You have this instruction manual to download the app. It also comes with the same little piece of double-sided or piece of tape to stick or to hold the front of your deadbolt on the outside of the door while you attach the adapter on the inside of your door. And also comes with these adapters that connects to your deadbolt lock. And I have I use Sledge locks, so I use the yellow adapter here. I have it for other different brands also. And this is what I really like, is the DoorSense magnet, which you attach to the outside, like it has to be 1.5 inches on a door frame near the lock itself. So it will then sense if the door is closed before it will lock the door by itself. And next I'll go ahead and install it and see how it works. And here I could go through the instructions on how to install the lock. They didn't have any paper instructions, it's all within the August Lock app itself. So you click on set up a new device and select the August Smart Lock. And I have the August Smart Lock 3rd generation. And then click on Start. Show you all the tools. Just need to push a Phillips screwdriver. And then I show like a video on how to do it, which is really nice. To tape the front of your existing deadbolt. And then tell you to unscrew the deadbolt latch from the inside of the door. Then put on the included mounting plate bracket to the inside of your door. And attach it right on it, just like that, and then screw it on. Then you choose your adapter, which I have the Sledge brand done. And it told me I need to use the yellow adapter, which is included. Then I need to make sure to just put it in a little metal hanger that's from the front of the deadbolt. Then it's telling me to turn it to the unlock position on the lock and open those metal wing latches on the back of it. And that's the way how it attaches to your door on that bracket that you just installed. And then you just pop it on and fold on the wings. Then you need to remove the metal battery cover. And remove the little plastic battery protector to activate the batteries and turn on the lock. Then it tells you to put back on the battery cover. And it'll also go through the DoorSense installation, which you could go through this now. And you can do either surface mount on door frame or inside as a flush mount, but you need to drill a certain kind of a large hole for that. So I'm just doing a surface mount for now. I think that should be good enough. Let's tell you same thing, just need a Phillips head screwdriver. And this is the tricky part. You need to really install it just below the extended deadbolt coming out of the door, because I think it'd be blocking the magnetic signal from the magnet from the DoorSense magnet. So make sure you put it within the green area you see on that picture. And they tell you to stick on the tape and just stick it on the door frame. For me, I use the blue tape to kind of temporarily place it and play the position of it so it could work properly with the door lock. And I think once you find the right, the most reliable place for the magnet for the door lock to sense the door is closed or not, then I would then screw it into the door frame with the 2 included screws. And they tell you to put on a little plastic cover. And that's it for the install. And next I'll see how that works and how it sounds like too. So far I really like this August smart lock with the DoorSense feature. It probably is the smartest lock on the market right now, as it's able to detect the door when closed. It'll lock by itself. No need to use my phone or anything like that, which is pretty awesome. And they advertise that it works with Nest, but it's mostly if you have a Nest cam or a Nest thermostat. it will show the temperature or turn on and off those things whenever you unlock or lock the door lock. And they do advertise it as it works with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, but not Google Home. And they also, you'll need to purchase the August Connect wireless hub to communicate with the August door lock. And I think this is not Apple Siri or Apple HomeKit compatible yet. Maybe, not really sure. And also the other thing is with the Alexa and Google Assistant, you're not able so far to use your voice to unlock the lock. You can only check the status or to lock the door lock. So it's probably a liability if you have your voice to control to unlock the lock. Could be an accident waiting to happen. And so far I like this. It's not as loud as other locks. Only one I've tried so far is the Sledge Connect lock, which is pretty loud. This is like the sound is not too bad. You could barely notice it for me. And I think that's pretty much it. Right, thanks.